Jira versus Notion. Which one is actually better? So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Jira versus Notion. Which one is actually better for you? So first of all, let's say some features about Jira. So the pros of Jira are it's built for engineering and software teams and supports Agile, Scrum, Kanban, sprint planning, epics, and powerful automation and permission control is supported on Jira and scalable for large organization. And the cons are complex UI for non-tech users and not ideal for document-heavy workflows. And setup takes more time. And on the other hand, the Notion pros are all-in-one workspace like docs, tasks, wikis, calendars, and intuitive drag-and-drop interface, and perfect for startups, freelancers, and content teams, and extremely flexible with templates and databases. And the cons of Notions are limited agile features, no native sprints or epics, weak in task dependency and reporting without plugins, and not ideal for large scale diff tracking. So the final verdict should be you can choose Jira if you are managing software development, need on Scrum boards, sprint reports, and developer workflows, and you can choose Notion if you want a lightweight, flexible tool for task tracking, note taking, knowledge bases, or collaborative workspaces. So Jira for better for developers, and Notion is better for creative and general teams. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.